Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Cortana not working problem in Windows 11. First method is click Start, Settings, click Apps, click Installed Apps. Click three dots under Cortana, click Advanced Options. Click Repair and Reset. Second method is type PowerShell in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Copy command from description and paste it. Third method is click Start, Settings, click Apps, click Installed Apps. Click three dots under Cortana, click Uninstall. Open Microsoft Store app. Download and install Cortana. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.